Hey guys, welcome back to CheezzMakeup channel. Today I'm going to review the new Lakme Absolute Kareena Kapoor collection Lash Definer Mascara. So this is the outer box of the mascara. So this is the packaging, black and gold with gold letters. It's nice and fat. And this is the wand. This mascara retails for 1,199 rupees. Yes, from Lakme. Kareena Kapoor. So it's 1,199 rupees. So the packaging definitely really pretty with black and gold, and it looks fat. It's pretty. The box comes in a gold box. It comes in a gold box. Packaging is really nice. So I'm gonna start with the positive. So that's the positive that I have about this mascara. Let's go to the other stuff. So this is one coat of the mascara. You can see this is without mascara and this is with, and there's not much of a difference. So this is the second coat of the mascara. You can see there is a difference, but still not much, not to my expectation. I don't feel there's a major difference, especially for 1,200 rupees. There's no major difference. Is this a lash volumizing one? Defining basically means it gives volume and length. So does it give volume? No. Does it give length? Yes. It does give length a little bit, not much, but it definitely gives length, but it does not give volume. And does it smudge? On the top and the bottom lid? Yes, it did smudge for me. Like while applying it, also it started to smudge a little bit, and then after like 2 hours it did smudge a little bit on my top lid. Does it clump? Yes. If you put the 2 coats, it will start clumping. Like I put 3 coats, so obviously clumping was there. So 1 coat no clumping, but 2nd coat clumping, and 3rd coat way more clumping. So I applied 2-3 coats mainly because I wanted volume. I was not getting volume in the 1st coat itself, so I had to apply 2nd coat to get volume, but it clumped, as well as I got like okay volume in the 2nd coat. In the 3rd coat I didn't see much of a difference, but there was a lot of clumping. And also the pigmentation of this product, that is the black pigment, is not there, so it doesn't look super black. It's like a black mascara. It's not like an extreme black or a really black mascara. So these are the other points that I wanted to tell compared to the one positive that I told. Final negative is the biggest negative, which is the price point. It's 1,199 rupees. Crazy, super crazy. Lakme is known as a drugstore brand, so if you increase your price, it will be odd or crazy or not right to your customers, because you have proved yourself as a drugstore brand, an affordable brand. So doing this obviously is not acceptable. And you collab with Kareena, you collab with any makeup artist, any celebrity, with all due respect, still Lakme is a drugstore brand, an affordable brand, and pricing it to 1,199 for a mascara is definitely not acceptable. So the price point is way too much. Another thing, I have really drugstore mascaras from Jordana and Essence, which is way cheaper than this, but 1,000 times better than this. Like this gives me volume in just 1 stroke, and the pigmentation, everything is amazing. No clumping even in 3 coats, which is great. So for this pricing, it's really not acceptable to have so many minuses. That's the big thing. You give a 1,199 mascara, even that is not acceptable, and you still give it so many minuses. It's just a very average mascara, so I'm very disappointed. If you want a no clump mascara, then you have to put only 1 coat of this. You won't get volume, you won't get length, and you won't get the pigmentation, that is, you know, blackening of your lashes. So very disappointing product from Lakme, especially from Kareena collection, because I love Kareena. So not at all satisfied, not at all worth even for 300 rupees, I would tell, because it did not do anything. So I'm highly disappointed. Yeah, that's my review, guys. And if you still want the product, I will put the link in the description bar where I bought it. It's only available in Nykaa.com for now. So hope this video is helpful, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care, everyone. Bye bye.